Get on the ground for the iso plank flow. 6 bodyweight core movements, working your core in all 3 planes of motion, front, back, side to side, laterally, and we were doing them for 30 seconds each. The big focus, breathing wise, and if you really want to challenge yourself, make it nasal only throughout. Deep inhale through the nose, into the belly, and then a full exhale. About 3 to 5 seconds each phase, and just do it continuously for each position, and close your face. Close your face, close your eyes. Yeah, close your face, relax your face, and just focus on your breathing and the positioning of the muscles. So here we go, front plank. We know all these drills, so I'm gonna show them quick. Lock in and push away, forearms underground to maximize the serratus activation. We'll start there. I roll into my left side plank, then I roll into my right side plank, and then I'm gonna go into my back plank. All right, head in line with the spine, really push up, toes to the shin, don't let them toe out, keep it like that. I move right into either my tucked or extended hollow body, keep my lower back flat to the floor, all right, trying to reach and extend, and I finish by rolling on the belly, and we do the Superman, which some experts say, worst thing ever for your lower back. I would say it's all about form and technique, all right? You should be able to lift your arms and legs off the ground here, but the focus too often is going up instead of away. All right, it's a Superman, Superwoman, whatever you want to call it. Try to get the arms and legs away from each other. Reach to the opposite walls, all right? And still cracking it up between the shoulder blades and clenching the glutes. But you're actually doing what's called an alligator breath when your belly's on the ground. There's some resistance as you try to pull the air into your belly you're working with. So this is meant to really activate your core, all right? Bulletproof the spine, the shoulders, the hips, but also awesome breathing workout. So you've got some lung power and diaphragm power going for the cardio challenges to come. Toodles!
Go!
Halfway.